Topic is Statistics, Exercise 14.2. Sixth question is: three coins were tossed at 30 times simultaneously. Each time the number of hits occurring was noted down as follows. 0, 1, 2, 3 like that they have given. Prepare a frequency distribution table for the data given above. Now I have three coins. In this is head, this is tail. Here we have head. This is also I have a head. This is tail. So if I toss this simultaneously like this, see how many times I have head. 1, 2 times I have head. This is tail, I got it. Same like that they are tossing the three coins, so that they have written in this question 0 head. 0 head means every time they got like this, tails only they get. So 0. If they get one time head, they given 1. If they get two time like this head, they given 2. So like this they get written 3 times head means 3 also they given here in this question. So we have to prepare the frequency distribution table. First one, number of heads I written. Next one is number of times in frequency I written, that is number of tallies. 0 first, 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0, how many times we got in the question? It is 0 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we have to put first tally mark. So 6 times means 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth time we have to put like this. This is 6. So 6 tally marks I have. So I written 6. Same like that, 1 we should count how many times. 2 how many times we should count. So we have to prepare like this. Totally they got now 30. When we add this everything, we are getting 30 in this. 7th and 9th you do your homework. 8th one I will do now. 30 children were asked about the number of hours they watched TV programs in the previous week. The result were found as follows. They have given here. Make a grouped frequency distribution table for this data, taking class with 5 and one of the class intervals as 5 to 10. That means here 5 it we want means 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. Because the greater number they have given here 17. So we have to take 17 means 15 to 20 is enough. Now suppose 5 is there in this column, we should not write here the tally mark. 0 to 4 we should write here. Then 5 comes, we have to take the tally mark of in this line. This is 5 to 9 we should write. 10 comes here, we have to put like that. 0 to 4 means here 1, 2, 3. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remaining all more than 5. So 10 we got. So 10 tally I will write here. 10 after writing tallies you write it here. Same like that, 5 to 9 they have given 13 times. So 13 means 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth line is like this. Like that we have to put the tally mark and write it in this. Same like that, 10 to 14 they have given 5 times. 15 to 17 they given 2 times. Then second question they asked, how many children watch television for 15 or more hours a week? So here the number of children who watch television for 15 or more hours a week, or the number of children in class interval 15 to 20, because till here 15 hours they watched. This is 15 to 17 hours 2 children watched. So therefore 2 children watch television for 15 or more hours a week. Graphical representation of data. There are 3. First one is bar graph, Next one is histograms of uniform width and of varying widths. Third one is frequency polygons. Exercise 14.3, first question is, a survey conducted by an organization for the cause of illness and death among the women between the ages 15 to 44 in years worldwide. Find the following figures in percentage they have given here. For 6 reasons they given. First one is, represent the information given above graphically. Here they given causes and female fertility rate they given. So this I am going to take in y axis. Causes I am going to take in x axis. 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 like that. 1 centimeter I am taking 5 unit in y axis. In y axis 1 centimeter equal to 5 unit I am taking. So 2 lines represent 1. Next 2 line is 2. Next 2 line is 3. Next 2 line is 4. Next is 5. So here next 2 line is 6, 7 like that. So 1, if I want 2 small lines I have to take. Suppose here 30. Next 2 line if I go 31. Next 2 line is 32. I have to take like 32, still more 2 lines like this. So first question is, reproductive health conditions they given, that is 31.8. It is near to 32. So from here one box we have to leave, next box we should start. Again one box we should leave for bar graph. So first condition they given, reproductive health condition. So from here to, from 0 to 32 I have to take. So 30 only I have marked here. You people mark one more 5 units. So 4 lines. 2 means 4 lines you should mark from here. This one box is for first condition. Second condition, neuropsychiatrist condition 25.4. So 25 I used to take here. That is for next 1 unit you should, 1 centimeter you should leave the place. Third this is 1, 2, 3, 4 means 3 to 4 you should take. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 I will give. So 3 to 4 you should take, till 25 you have to draw the box. Next box you should leave. Next third condition, injuries 12.4 they given. So I will take like 12. 12 means after 10, 2 line is 11, next 2 line is 12. So here I have to draw the box. Next condition they given here, cardiovascular conditions 4.3. It is near for 4 only. So I will take here 0 to 4 for fourth condition. Fifth condition they given, respiratory conditions 4.1. This is also like near 4.3 or 4.1 is 4 only I have taken. Next box you should leave. Sixth condition they given, other causes 22. So 0 to here 20. After 20 it is 2 line is 21, next 2 line, that is like fourth line we have to draw, that is like 22 we have to mark. Then second condition in this, which condition is the major cause of women's ill health and death worldwide they given, which is the highest causes they have given here. First one, that is reproductive health conditions they given 31.8 percentage. Third question, try to find out with the help of your teacher any 2 factors which play a major role in the causes in above being the major cause. So first one is like heredity. Anything if you have like heredity you will get the next generation also. For second one, stressed life or unhealthy competitions.
So we should not take anything for stressed. We have to live little free and do yoga and be healthy.